So guys, tell me, do you like the hat backwards or forward or no hat? What should I do, guys? Tell me. Oh wait, roll the intro, man.
100 boy, I promise I'm gonna get what's mine.
What's up, guys? Your boy Razor Smooth without the hat, man. You know we're keeping it real, man. Reaction videos galore, baby. We're going hard, babe. Gang to the gang to the gang. What's up, Razor gang? Razor Smooth, we live. You know what time it is, guys? It's another reaction video from Mongolia, man. Most people are asking me, why are you doing Mongolian music, man? You don't even hear what they're saying. And I always tell them, man, music, you don't have to hear what it's saying, man. Music talks to your heart. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean, though. This song is Mongolian hip-hop rap artist, Tonant. I don't know how many artists, but let's get to it, guys. Razzie, Spoo. We live. Is it too hot? Mongolian hip-hop rap artist presents
Мөнхтэн хүчин дор сүгддүгэ биширдүгэ аюутуга
Dang. Ooh, those look nice statues, man. Whoa. Wow, she has a beautiful voice. Okay. Hello. Come on, girl. Yes, girl, yes. G. 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 Yeah, my man. I saw Big G, guys. Wow, man.
Алтхас.
Wow.
Айхас буу эмээ. Ард нь уухдахыг жигшиж, ард олноо дагуулan хооч үеэ бодон холын замыг харж чиг зүгээ мэдэрн чирэгдэж буу хоцгор сар шиг жийж нар шиг гэрэлтэж газарт гал дөлмөж тэнгэрт одон гаргислуга өргөлж одон хамтдаа дэшээ бүтэн бие зориулан бүрэн улсаа хураацгаая.
Wow, man. Wow. Damn. Big G. You know Big G in the building, man. These are all the artists and the people involved in the video. Wow, 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 wow. That was amazing, guys. That was amazing. Mongolia is so beautiful, man. Did you see the video? I'll leave the video down below, man. I went crazy when I saw Big G, man. I'm like, Big G? I saw a girl and another girl rapping. What? I didn't know Mongolia has got girl rappers. Those girls brought fire, man. And I saw some guys, I think it's some old guys though, like some old G's, man, in the hip-hop game back in Mongolia, man. Some old guys, man. They were still killing it though. It's like a dope video, man, you know, like they got the old G's there, they got the new school there. Everyone is just too good, man. Like, it was insane, man. Legend after legend after legend, man. You know what time it is, guys. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you check it out. Wow, I want to go to Mongolia now, man. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful country, man. With that being said, guys, your boy Razasbu is gone, man. Catch you on the flip side. Gone.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.